This video explains how to convert older HS valves to the 6000 Pro. This includes the original HS valve, the 3000 valve, and the 4000 valve. If you are converting a 5000 valve to the 6000 Pro, you don't need a conversion kit since the 6000 Pro is larger than the 5000. The 6000 Pro conversion kit comes assembled with mounting brackets. If you are converting from a 3000 or 4000 valve, you will need to make the hole larger. Depending on how the old valve was installed, the pipe could be coming from above or below. You will need to enlarge the hole on the same end as the pipe. To enlarge the hole, align the flange of the conversion plate with the bottom of the existing hole. Then lean it forward and mark the top of the flange on each side so that you can trace a cut line. Carefully cut along the traced lines to slightly enlarge the hole. The 3000 and 4000 valves used a pipe fitting for installation, so you'll need to glue the outside of the 6000 valve before inserting it into the pipe fitting. You should also glue the inside of the pipe fitting since the fit may be a little loose. Once the 6000 valve is installed, insert the conversion plate. Check the back of the plate to ensure the pipe inside is on the same end of the pipe. Finally, install the trim kit. If you are converting from an original valve, you will not need to cut the existing hole. Since the original valve did not use a pipe fitting, you'll need to glue the inside of the 6000 Pro rough-in valve before installing it. Once the 6000 valve is installed, insert the conversion plate. Check the back of the plate to ensure the pipe inside is on the same end of the pipe. Finally, install the trim kit.